Hello guys, welcome back to Code with Bishal YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to insert image on your web page. Please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you, and let's start this video. To insert image on our HTML file, let us write img tag. Write curly brackets and img src. This is our attribute. We will see what are attributes in another video. For now, src means source, the source of image. Write equals to and double quote and write the source. I have an image here, codewithbishal.png, which is a screenshot of my YouTube channel. Please subscribe this channel for more videos. Let me insert this image first. Write the image name, code space with space bishal.png. See, and close this image tag. We don't need to close img like this because this is an inline HTML and it does not have any closing tag. We just need to write like this or like this, and let's see its output. Open with live server. If you haven't installed live server yet, please go to extension and search for live server. Then install this live server plugin, and you will be able to open with live server any HTML document. Now see, this image has been inserted here. And what if browser doesn't find this image? Let me write like this. Let me remove one. Now no image is showing, and how your customer will know what was there before the image? So for this we need to write alt tag, which means alternative text, alternative to the image when image not found or image takes more time to load. We'll write this is a screenshot of Code with Bishal YouTube channel. Okay, when image was unable to load, then this text will be shown on the browser. So what is the use of alt text? Like your screen reader will, any kind of screen reader will read alt tag instead of image. So it is a good habit to insert alt tag or write alt tag with image. And let me fix this image. Now image will load. Let me make it normal. So you can see the image is here, and this image is too big. You can see the image is too big, and let me fix its height and width. For this, write height attribute and give it a value. I will give it 500 pixel height and check how it looks. See, by default the width is auto. The width is auto by default. Let me make it 1200 pixel. See, the image is stretched here. It is not it doesn't looks good. So we need to write width equals to auto, or by default it is auto. So it will take the required width according to the height of image. So, and you can see, you can drag image here. Like this, you can drag image from one page to another. If you want to disable this, then there is another attribute. So attributes provides extra information about the element, like the height, the width, the alternative text, and the draggable is enabled or not. So for this we need to add draggable and make it false. So if you make it false, then it won't be draggable. See, I can't drag now. If I remove draggable or make it true, then see, I can drag. You can see like you can see my cursor and it shows image. Okay, understood. And this was for image. Like if you want to image which is in another folder, just create and let me create a folder image, and let me move this here. Now image won't load. See, this is screenshot of code is Bishal YouTube channel. Okay, for this we need to write the path where the image is. It is inside the same folder. The image folder is inside the same folder code files, which is our base file, and inside our base file there is image. So we need to write image / then image name, like the folder and image name. See, now we can load. So this was for this video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more upcoming more such videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.